and welcome to my house tour. I'm very excited about this one. Got the lovely cameraman helping me out today. Come on in. Obviously it's very seasonal because we are currently in autumn season, so you're going to see a lot of seasonal things around the house, but I just thought, I haven't shown you my house. Why don't I show you? It's not fully finished. There's things that I would love to do, but I don't think your house is ever fully finished, so let's just see. We live in a Victorian terrace house, so most of the layout is pretty similar. So you kind of walk in this door from our very small little hallway, and this is our dining room. I feel like we don't use this space that much. I think we use it maybe around Christmas time, but apart from that, we don't use it all too much. Maybe when our friends come over and we have like our Monopoly game nights, that's about it. This light is from Wayfair. I'm gonna do my best to link as much as I possibly can. This gorgeous, gorgeous table. This is from Arini Bianchi. It's the most gorgeous homeware brand. I have the matching bench on the other side, and then these chairs, I believe, are from the Cotswold Company. This picture that I have here is from Cox & Cox. I love this picture. I love the frame. I thought it was double the size. Let's ignore that. In this house, I did add quite a few bits from when you probably last saw it. I'll try and put some clips on the screen of what this house looked like when we first moved in. But I added all the coving and of course the paneling in this room. We changed up the colour. For anyone that's wondering, paint colour that I have all in this room that I would have all over the house if I could repaint it is goose feathers, and it's a Dulux Vespa, something like that, but it's called Goose Feathers and it's a lovely colour. The rug is Zara and this is from Costco. So we're about to get into the living room. For those of you that might remember, this space used to be all one space. When I moved in, I actually had this wall kind of built and these doors put in. I just wanted to give a bit of separation to this already very small home and make it feel like this could be kind of shut off and it could also be opened up if that's something that you wanted to do. So come into the living room. Okay guys, so this is the living room. This is where we spend most of our time in this house. We eat dinner on the sofa here. We have friends over here. We honestly spend 80% of our lives in this living room. Something that I absolutely love about this living room is some of the like more traditional features. So I have this gorgeous fireplace that I really like. I like things that are a bit more character in a house. So yeah, I absolutely love this. We use this throughout the winter. And then where Leon's currently standing is our bay window, which I absolutely love. I also added some shutters to this area, which I just think they add a little bit of a traditional vibe to the house, and I love that bay window. I just think it's a really nice feature of the Victorian homes. I also had this kind of like cupboard area built in. So this is for our storage. It also has our fuse box in there. It's very ugly, so I won't open it. And then I've just got loads of kind of little accessories. Some of these are from HomeSense. I have a picture frame that I'm yet to put a picture in. Some of these are just from TK Maxx. I've got bits and bobs that have been given to me by like other people, gifts and stuff. This I think I actually stole from a brand trip. I thought we could take this home, but upon reflection, I don't think we could take this home. I think this was part of the furniture in the hotel, so I'm really sorry about that because I don't think I was meant to bring that home, but hey ho. The coffee table and matching sideboards, which I'll put on over the screen now, are all from Marks & Spencer. They also do this with, I believe it is like black marble, or is it Black Legs?
Black Legs, Bill and Beth have it. Okay. Shout out.
Okay, shout out to our friends that have it in the other colourway. And then I just put on like a little candle and just these kind of dried flowers. They were once living, but now they're dried. This lamp I absolutely love. This was a splurge item from the White Company. Do I think I needed to spend that money on a lamp? No. Did I? Yes. And I absolutely love it, so it is what it is. Our sofa is an oldie, but a goodie, I think. It's IKEA. It was inexpensive. You can actually buy covers for this sofa, which is something I've been thinking about doing from a website. So if you're interested, let me know and I can send you the link. And then I've just got cushions that are from random H&M Home. Some of these are from a company called Zoo House. Bit of a mix. And blankets, this one's from Target. I think this is Primark, so a bit of everything. Lastly in this room are the prints. These are from Desenio. I just think they do great prints. They're really inexpensive. You can change them out seasonally. I really like these. I think they're a little bit more like kind of Italian, European inspired. And our TV is the Samsung frame TV, but I'm yet to get a frame for it because it's quite low on the fireplace. Right, let's go through to the kitchen.
This little rug is from French Bulldog Saviours. Hello, little rug.
Okay, this is the kitchen. I'm gonna probably pop in a lot of overlays in this video just because the lighting is quite difficult. We've not done a lot in this kitchen. I've kept this kitchen pretty much the same as when I moved in. The price of a new kitchen is a lot to wrap my head around. And if I was to do it, I think I would want to extend this part of the house and knock through this wall here. So it's something that we're yet to do. I don't know if we ever will. However, I thought I'd talk to you about some of the things I have added. These chairs are from Dunelm. I think they look really, really nice. They're just nice to kind of put under our little like breakfast bar area. So yeah, these are just from Dunelm. I've then done like a little pasta thing here. We did paint the cabinets. I can't remember the colour of this on the cabinets, unfortunately. I have my pride and joy, which is
my pride and joy
DeLonghi coffee maker, and it has like an electric screen. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is This is my favourite thing in the kitchen. What's really cool about it is you can literally just like go along and make all different types of coffee. I've done like iced coffees on here so much. I absolutely love this. This is like the most exciting thing in this kitchen. This and the air fryer. Oh, amazing. I did change like all of the kind of like knobs on the kitchen cupboards as well, but apart from that I kept it pretty much the same. My little coffee station, and that's pretty much it for this kitchen space. It's not an area that we use too much, but okay, this is our little kind of two-step landing. It's a really small landing. Did change the carpet up here. I went for wool carpet. I really love wool carpet. We also did a carpet runner on the stairs. I will pop a picture as well on the screen so you guys can see this. If you check out my home account, you'll be able to see things in a little bit better detail. We did paint the banisters. I'm covering this up because the paint is chipped and we need to touch it up. So yeah, we did paint the banister, and I got this gorgeous light, which is actually from Next Home. It's a complete dupe for the White Company one. So I will leave this link below. I've got 2 of these. The other one is in the living room. Best light. You can adjust the height on it, and I just think it makes this area a bit more of a feature. Where should we start? In the back bedroom? Okay, so some of the things I really like about the house are like the little touches of like personality that I feel like were in here when I moved in and I didn't want to change. So I really like the stained glass in this door. This is the smallest bedroom. It is considered a 3rd bedroom, but I've actually transformed this into a little bit of a dressing room. I just feel like it was wasted space if we didn't add some wardrobes in here. So we did have some fitted wardrobes put in. I saw an inspo pic online where it had this like beading and I really liked it. And then obviously I have my shelf area here with lots of my handbags. And it's just a good area for me to store a lot of my clothes in. I would love to film in here, but unfortunately the area is just not big enough. But I really like this room nevertheless. My favourite thing in this room has to be this ginormous mirror. So this is actually from Anthropology. I do get a load of questions on this mirror. I know Williams would do a similar one for a lot less money. This is very heavy. Leon has had to carry this up and down the stairs one too many times, but I absolutely love it, and it makes the room, not on his own, but it makes the room feel a heck of a lot bigger. I also love this kind of window in this room. I just think it's really pretty. And then this is just a cheapy blind that I got on John Lewis. Okay, some of you will probably recognize this room because I have filmed in here a few times, definitely over on my Instagram I have. This is our one and only bathroom. It's very small, but it's fine for 2 people. It's absolutely fine. We did have this whole bathroom changed, and do I have regrets? Yes, I have plenty. I know. I went and spent a load of money on a bathroom and I regret things. It is what it is. I would do things completely differently now. So my piece of advice, if you're moving into a house or something, just like sit on it for a little bit and really think about what you want to do, because I definitely rushed this and I definitely regret it. It's just a bit too loud for me. I think the gold and the marble, it was super trendy at the time, but I don't know, I just think it's a bit too loud for me, and I think it makes the space feel a little bit smaller. I also probably never would have put a shower in here, which I know sounds crazy because this bathroom is so small. We don't have a bath, but I miss a bath so much, guys. Like, I miss having a bath so much. But we do have a lovely shower in here. It's fine, it gets the job done. A little bit of storage in this. Most of the things in this room are from Victorian plumbing. I had all of the radiators replaced as well around the house, and they were all Victorian plumbing. So that's where most of the stuff from in here is from. I think that's where all of it's from. Okay, next up is this bedroom. This is our 2nd bedroom, our spare room, where our friends come and stay if they come and stay. The bed itself is from Comfy Sleeps Home. It's actually a gas storage bed. Best thing in the world. We store so much shit under this bed, basically. And then the cushions and the throw, I think, are from H&M Home. Oh no, they're White Company. Sorry, they're White Company, but I got them at Vista Village a while ago. These little lamps are from John Lewis, and then I can't remember where the bedsides are from, but I will try and link them below. The light fixture as well is from John Lewis, and there's some really nice cobwebs that I haven't cleaned for you there, so there we go. I then have this chair, which is Zara Home. This is like one of my favourite chairs. It's like this gorgeous Borg chair. Doesn't really go with this, but you know, it is what it is. This is from my mum and dad's house. It's in their shed, and I just really like this kind of like older style furniture. I did paint this, believe it or not. It could definitely do with the sanding and a new paint, couldn't it?
Did you paint it?
I did paint it in the garden.
Did you?
Did I not?
I think I might have.
Did I paint the stool? You painted this?
Yep.
Anyway, that's that. Another little area in our hallway, which I wanted to show, is this chest. So we have this chest. I can't actually remember where this is from, but it's just a really handy bit of storage for us. And the mirror I also just got online. This is one of my prized possessions. This is a diptyque large candle that I will never burn because it's just so gorgeous. And then I've kind of got a couple of bits and bobs up here at the moment. I probably wouldn't style this area like this, but for now, it's absolutely fine. Okay, this is our room. I actually love this room. I love the paneling that I had put in this room. The colour on here, I cannot remember the colour. It's definitely a lot warmer and kind of more beige, but I've actually grown to really like it. When it was first painted, I was a bit like, it's very salmon, but I really like it now. For our bed, this is from Feather and Black. I absolutely love this. This was an expensive purchase at the time. 100% so happy that I made the purchase. I think it's such a feature and a gorgeous bed. For the bedside tables, these are also from Feather and Black. I think these look, again, really nice. They're not the best for storage, but they do look lovely. The lamps are from the White Company, and yeah, that's that kind of little setup. A lot of these cushions are from Zara. The throat is also from Zara. We also had some more wardrobes put in here. These handles are just from B&Q, but again, I wanted to kind of keep with the same theme with the like beading, and I think it looks really nice. We have shutters in here which don't necessarily block out loads of light, but I think they're a nice feature in the room, and I had all of the radiators replaced. So they're these kind of like Victorian style radiators that just match the house a little bit more. This mirror I got online, I cannot remember where from, but I know the Range do one at the moment that's pretty much the same. And then I have this big chest of drawers, which is actually from the Cotswold Company. It doesn't necessarily match, and it does irritate me sometimes, but I needed it for the storage. Prints of desenio, and then for this light I have here, which is like my favourite thing I think about this room. This is from Pookie.
The Pookinator.
I can't lie, this was an expensive purchase, but I'm obsessed with this light. I think it's such a feature in the room, and I really love it. Okay guys, that is actually it for this house tour. I hope you enjoyed. I feel like this is something I've been wanting to film for a really long time, but I just haven't got around to it. My house has also never been clean enough to probably show you every single room, but right now we're doing quite a good job, so I thought it was a good time to show you. Definitely things I want to change, definitely things I probably would have done differently throughout the decorating process, but I feel now really happy with where we're at. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Check me out on my home account and my Instagram account, as well as my TikTok. I post over there a lot more regularly, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.